Hey guys, it's J Beauty again. Here we are back with another makeup tutorial. Okay, so this makeup tutorial is called Sunrise Eyeshadow. We're doing a little, orange brown situation. Here I am shaping out my eye. I already added the orangey brown color in my crease and blended it upward. You can see it a little in this frame. I'm sculpting out my eye before I apply the shadow that I'm going to sit over top of it to set it. And here I'm going in with that brown orangey color, taking it in my crease a little more, then blending it downward to the end of my eye, like this, like that, like so. And then I go back in to add a more precise shape to my eye because it did, smear a little bit and I was not feeling that, okay? So I had to go back in with a little bit more concealer and shape that eye back out, and you'll see the difference. See that? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And it looks so much better. So, I had to go back in and fix that up because I wouldn't have had it any other way, honey. I was like, oh no, she has to fix her. That concealer was not giving what it was supposed to give before I went back in. There we go. As more of a shape, and then I'm going in with some glitter. At this point, I already went in with that lighter color over my eye to set that concealer. Went back in with that brown, and then as you can see, I went in with my liquid eyeliner and added a wing. Look at that color. And I'm just going and putting a little more glitter in my crease area. And then I'm just looking at it to see if I'm pleased with it. And I'm actually I was doing this makeup tutorial in front of a mirror, like one of those long mirrors, so it was like perfect. Here I am taking I already took some black eyeliner and lined my bottom, the bottom of my eye. And here I was going in with some mascara and putting mascara on the bottom lashes. I already went in and did the top lashes. Here I am taking like a brown color, as you can see, the brown color, and putting it in my crease area. Look how pretty that is, y'all. And I just blended it up a little bit. Okay, sunrise, sunset. And here I'm just checking, looking in the mirror and everything to make sure the eye looks the way I want it to look. Make sure I'm pleased with how it turned out. And then I'm going in with my Fenty brown dot lip liner, lining my lips. I had to sharpen the pencil. It's a little dull. And here I'm just showing you guys, the lip liner that I'm using and who it's by and everything. I'm just going over my lips with a liner. And in this video, you'll only see me doing one eye. Okay? Figure I do one eye, get straight to the point, instead of doing two eyes, and then the tutorial takes longer. Keep it short, cute, and sweet. Okay, and then I went in with the Milani Nude Liquid Lip that I actually haven't used in a long time, so it was nice to bring that back out. And then here I went over that side of my face with a concealer foundation. I blended that out, and here I'm just going in with a little concealer that's obviously not my skin tone. I'm just using a little bit of it to brighten under my eye. And look at that still frame, y'all. Look at that eye. It's giving what it's supposed to give, honey. Not to mention the brows, okay? I already had the brows done before I started the video. But I went over how I did my brows in the other tutorial that I did before this one. So you can go look at that one. And then another still frame to really, take in that eye and how beautiful it is. And here I am done. I finished up, and here's a little clip at the end showing you the eye and how beautiful that is. And I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at bougiej with 3 E's. Bye.